This is our line of terrain balers. This is the MRB 850. It makes 20-inch by 27-inch wide bales. Here's our 870, MRB 870. It makes 24-inch diameter bales, 27 inches wide. And there we have the MRB 870 wide. It makes bales 24-inch diameter, 40 inches wide. I'll just stand them up so you can see how high they are. This bale would be kind of hard to carry by hand depending on the moisture level of the bale. You might want to use a tractor bucket, pallet forks, or even maybe a bale spear. And if you're a weightlifter, maybe you can manage to lift them. And this one, of course, is easier to lift. And here we have the small one. How's that? Let's take a look at the front of the balers. The MRB 850, this is a net wrap model. We also have it in a twine wrap. The pickup width is 27 inches. And then we have the MRB 870, again 27-inch wide pickup. This has the optional gathering wheels as well as the optional hitch for a drawbar hitch. And here we have the MRB 870. It's got a 39-inch wide pickup and comes in twine wrap.